Wear your gloves and let's unbox and assemble the brand new ENGWE Engine Pro 3.0 Boost. Before we start, let's see what is inside the accessory box. Inside, you will find a hand air pump, toolkit, tail light, pedals, spare brake pads and screws, quick release keyword, zip ties, multi-language user manual, handlebar folding neck, kickstand and the battery charger. Start by inserting the saddle into place. Remove the rubber cap from the stem. Use the 5mm hex key to remove the placeholder tube. Loosen the handlebar neck screws and insert it into the fork tube at 45 degrees angle. Insert the top screw and tighten it securely. Tighten the side screw and unfold the neck. Remove the stem top using the 5mm hex key. Carefully position the handlebars and reattach the stem top, tightening the two screws firmly. Remove the battery and flip the bicycle upside down. Take off the caliper protector and use the wrench to remove the temporary axle. Prepare the front wheel for installation. Slide the front wheel into the fork, ensuring the brake rotor is at the right place. Check that the wheel spins freely. Insert the quick release keyword, screw on the nut, and then close the quick release lever, making sure it is properly tightened. Place the kickstand into the base and tighten the two screws with the 5mm hex key. Flip the bicycle upright, remove the top screw and insert the front mudguard. Secure it together with the headlight using the top screw. Use the 5mm hex key and the 10mm wrench to tighten it. Attach the side arms of the mudguard with the 4mm hex key and tighten them firmly. To install the rear rack, remove all the 4 screws using the same hex key. Position the rear rack and tighten all the 4 screws securely. Insert the rear light into the rear rack and use the 8mm wrench to fix it. Keep the cable neatly organized using the zip ties and trim and access. Connect the cable by aligning the marked arrows. The pedal marked L goes on the left side. Screw it in by hand counterclockwise, then tighten it with the 15mm wrench. Repeat the process for the right pedal, but screw it in clockwise. Make sure the front wheel and the handlebars are properly aligned. Then firmly tighten all the stem screws. Don't forget to replace the rubber cap. Adjust the display to your preferred position and tighten it with the 2mm hex key. Inflate the tires, insert the battery back into place, turn the battery on and then power on the bicycle to test the system. Download and connect the ENGWE mobile app using the QR code on the bike. Register your new e-bike and update it. Your ENGWE Engine Pro 3.0 Boost is ready to roll. Enjoy it!